Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, you just go down, click on my Learning down here. So then you come to this list here, you click on your name. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here, and come to this list. Then you go down. So and you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open video, so it's going to take a time to open video here. Then you click here on advertising data, and you come to this list. You click here on demographics here, and come to this list. You come here to use your gender for ads. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.